can't go through this.
I got four-wheel drive, you know.
We're stuck.
Get out and push.
I'm not getting out. I'm not riding with you again.
Well, how are you going to get back there?
I hadn't thought of that.
How far is it up this dirt road?
According to AllTrails, maybe it's about 10 miles.
10 miles?
We're hiking up to Soldier Falls.
Let's go. Come on, Barb. Walk across.
It does look pretty exciting. Do you think I should try it?
Go for it.
Maybe next time.
Do we have to come back up this way? I bet you the Native Americans like this place. Water in the desert is very hard to find.
This area was actually part of the Chiricahua Apache ancestral land. You know, the 10th Cavalry was stationed around here back in the 1800s.
Do you mean the Buffalo Soldiers?
Yep, they patrolled southeastern Arizona during the Apache Wars. We passed Mescal Movie Set on the way in.
Yeah, I'd like to see that.
So many of our favorite westerns were filmed here.
You know we like cowboy movies. Does it cost to go in?
$20 per person.
$20? Why don't you get a job there? We could get in for free.
Why don't you get a job there? Or any job for that matter.
I have a job. I'm your manager.
That's really funny.